at it again. Today I have a day off, so I've been able to do some things around my house, get some things done. And now we can get into some items actually. So I'll have a couple of different videos that I'm gonna be releasing today. Definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button for this video because we're breaking into the Travis Scott action figures right now. We're gonna see what these are like. I ordered them back during his whole FORTNITE concert and his whole drop back then. I was pretty excited for a lot of the stuff that was there. Got a couple of merch shirts from that drop. I think this is one of them. I don't remember. But I got a couple of shirts and I think this is the only thing I got that is left to still arrive. Obviously his McDonald's drop. I've got all of those items still waiting. So yeah, Big Mac shirt, this action figure shirt, all that different stuff. But yeah, so with this box for the action figures, it does look like it comes in a double box situation to keep it nice and safe. This box came in really great condition, which is amazing. And then this inner box looks like it's in pretty decent shape as well. It is a lot thinner cardboard, this inner box, so I don't know, you got that going. I'm gonna go ahead, break this tape. I'm gonna try to not scratch up the boxes on these collectibles. I'm kind of a weird collectible person. I like to keep everything in the box. I have a, oh jeez. I have my Dale Earnhardt car that I got. Oh, look at that, you can already see the FORTNITE glowing right there. I got this Dale Earnhardt race car. It kind of got beat up because of storage and everything from when I was little, but this is still in the box, and like I have some other stuff from when I was a kid that's still in the box. That's the only thing that I'm really super proud of that I kept. But yeah, I was never really a guy to get things out and mess with them too much, so we're just gonna look at how these are here. All right. There we go. There's nothing in that cardboard, just this. And then it is wrapped in this plastic cellophane. Keep it closed a little further. On this box, we got Travis doing a little dance, holding his microphone. He's definitely a robot, Travis. It's got a bunch of robot parts in there, being a Terminator and whatnot. And then you've got the Cactus Jack, living your world, raging ours. Yeah, come on, people. Like, you can be crazy in video games, but let's not be going too crazy in the real world. Let's not be tearing things apart. Let's try and build things up and make some change for the better. Regardless, all of this is super shiny, like a foil, multicolor foil material for that print. And then you've got your warning instructions down here. Battery warnings. Requires 3 XLR44 1.5 volt button cell batteries included. So they're included. Nice. This was created by Epic Games. You got Epic Games right up there. So the FORTNITE creators actually did make this. And you've got your little FORTNITE scan code here for authenticity. I'm not going to zoom in on that because I don't want to give that away. But yeah, underneath this sleeve, oh, there they are. So you got the same stuff on the back, and then on the front, you got Travis dancing, and then you got your 12-inch action figures. These guys are so massive. They're both wearing Jordans. You've got Travis with his Jordan 1s that he's rocking. He's rocking this pair right here. I rock those sometimes. All right now, I mean, I'm just chilling at home today. I mean, I really feel like this pickaxe reminds me of Minecraft a little bit, but whatever. Here we got your sicko mode Travis, or sicko mode dude. I think it's supposed to be Travis. And then you got your T3500, your Travis 3500. He's got all these electric parts in there. And then they do seal it up with this tape to keep you from opening it, so you know it's authentic and it has not been messed with. And yeah, we'll just look closely at this and check it out real fast. you enjoyed all the close-ups I got for you, checking out those action figures. Now, I do want to shoot some positivity at you. I'm going to read this really awesome quote from Albert Einstein from his book, The World as I See It. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of true art and true science. Oh man, that quote was so awesome because I'm really into mysterious things, things I don't understand, things that people don't really fully understand. Right now I'm really getting into the different ideas of how religion got started, you know, back with the ancient Greeks, or even back further than that, and how religion and government structures have sort of worked to form the government structures we have now. It's really mysterious stuff because a lot of it is secretive, and most historians aren't even willing to dive into some of this stuff because a lot of the history of how governments were originally started and what first gave humans the idea of the structure of government we have now has really been secretive practices that were taking place, and I'm still researching and still learning, but it's really exciting and it's really motivating to just keep diving in and keep learning into those mysterious things. And a lot of the answers that I want are not going to really get answered, but maybe as people keep searching out these ideas and keep searching out these mysterious things in the past and even mysterious things of the present, some more light and some more truth can be found out. So anyways, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.